Begin by placing the garment visor down on a clean, smooth surface. Take the excess material of the expanded back and fold it into itself. Next, fold each arm down over the expanded back. Tuck the sock boots into the boot cover. Fold each leg in half and fold up towards the back of the garment. Fold the sides of the garment so they will be the same width as the legs. As you approach the head, push any remaining air out before the final fold. Before placing the garment in the bag, stretch the visor to minimize any folds or creasing.